guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And as Microsoft do in the latest few week, on the 1 week, she pushed out some 2 or 3 updates on the week. So we have new Windows Insider Preview, as you see in our release. It is the latest version. So I know because I on my, as you see, Windows 3344, I think. Don't trust me on my word. Let's see. 013 1413 1413, and this is the latest version. And as you see now, I will download this. Is my some file or something, some fireware. Sorry, and have problem to install something plugin to continue, but it's I think about something about my battery. It's not better now, and we have the abstract package here, and that's not so matter. Matter is here. What is important for us? It's Windows level insider preview. You look better. You look nice. 23403.1001 in our release, pre-release. So, guys, I will download and install, and please and see what is new. First, of course, install and must see what is new, and you can subscribe to my channel if you are not, please, and like, share, and that you can see my latest or videos what came out from my channel, what is not so big, but if you are subscribed someone another, it will be. So guys, that will be all for now, that I not talk about my subscribers. Let's talk about Windows Insiders and Insider Preview and Microsoft. Thank you for watching, and go to your PCs and see if you have some updates. Bye.